You okay? You need water, beer? Okay. You're okay? But if you don't have a Janus, you need to get one. I mean, she's just absolutely annihilating this track. Surprisingly enough, I think we're gaining on somebody with one peg. Don't let anybody tell you Janus can't go off-road. You okay? You good? You okay? You good? Okay.